You think lions are fearless kings of the jungle? Yeah, about that. Male lions sleep up to 20 hours a day. 20. The females do most of the hunting, while the males wake up like. So, did we win? And when they do fight, it's usually over food or territory, not bravery. Basically, the lion's job is look intimidating, nap aggressively, and take credit. So remember, behind every king of the jungle is a very tired man and a group of extremely capable women. Nature has jokes. Follow for more crazy animal facts.